This is a Yamaha keyboard EC150. It is a great educational keyboard because it has 100 songs and it teaches you how to play these songs. It has different teaching mode, which is it teach you timing, it teach you left hand, it teach you right hand. That's why L, R, and it even grade your playing of those songs. I have another video on how to use these songs in a lesson mode. I will link that video in the description. But let's look at this keyboard overall. And this is the volume, and this is the on off button, and it is a lighted keyboard. You can see when you play keys, you can see those keys light up. And we are going to look at mainly the songs. You can see the songs here. There are 100 songs. There are styles. It has 100 styles. It has 100 voice also. You can see all the voices here. Let's look at some voice, how it looks like. But if you look at here, portable grand, if you hit this button, it optimizes the keyboard for grand piano. Let's look at some voices here, some tones. I'm going to quickly look at. These are different kind of pianos. You see, number 7 is harpsichord. Number 8. Number 9. I'm going to quickly go with the tones. You can see what tones are here. This is a pipe organ, accordion. This is harmonica. Guitar, funk guitar, 12-string guitar. Jazz guitar, electric guitar. This is distorted guitar, wood brass, finger brass. Not brass, it's a bass. Bass you have to play here. Slap bass. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now strings. And another is a violin. Cello. Sitar, banjo, vibraphone, trumpet. Pretty good trumpet. Sax. Clarinet. Flute. It's a pretty good flute. Pan flute. Pan flute you play in the mid octave. That sounds better. Synth bass. Slow strings. This is a synth strings. Synth brass. Slow strings. Chorus. (59 to 68). 59 to 68 is harmony. That means it plays the harmony notes. That is, notes, sustained kind of notes. These are, you see. Because if you play one note, it will play another note automatically to sync with that note. That's called harmony, I think. And split. You see, there are different things are played in different parts. These are sustained notes. You see, it's getting sustained. So these are sustained, 74 to 78. (79 to 88) is echo. You see the echo? (89) is dual voice. These are like a double layered voices. this become rich voices. These are DJ. These are like a DJ kind of tones.
Yo, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
All kind of DJ effects you can find it 98 and 99. And 00 is drum kit. And you have styles also. You go to styles and select, and you need to press start stop for those styles. And then increase that to a different style. And just play the DJ one, 30. Let's play Latin, 72. When you put the style, you can play the notes here. Let's try that. Before you go to style, select your tone. So let's select the tone voice, that is a trumpet, 39. And now we select the style, 72. Overall, it's a pretty good keyboard. If you buy as a used one, you can learn the songs, and you have great styles, and you can use great voices and play along with this keyboard.